Good day, everyone. Today, we're diving into Stephen King's It, a chilling tale that blends horror with powerful themes. So, this book, the It, um, is one of my favorites fictional, psychological horror, and horror story. So, um, it's very scary and also a lot of lesson we can get about um, overcoming fear. So before we start with the story, so let's talk about the author himself. Stephen King, master of horror, crafts it that set in the fictional Maine town of Derry. So Maine town, it is the hometown of our author. It is part of US. So it was published in 1986. It's more than just scares. It's a journey into childhood trauma, friendship, and confronting our deepest fears. So the story goes like this. So the Losers Club, it was the seven outcast kids, face Pennywise, a shape-shifting entity preying on their fears. As children, they defeat it, but the trauma remains. 30 years later, Pennywise returns, forcing them to confront their past and fight again. It explores profound themes: childhood trauma, like it shapes the losers club lives, their enduring friendship, forged in fear, is their strength. So it is about confronting and conquering our deepest fears. So there's iconic lines in the It book. So verse is, maybe there aren't any such things as good friends or bad friends. Only people you want, need to be with, or people who build their houses in your heart. So this quote highlights the unbreakable bond of the Losers Club. Their loyalty transcends even Pennywise terror. So the first quote is very relatable to us, especially we're a student. We have many friends. So according to the book, there isn't such thing as good or bad friends. It is the people that we want, that we need. Like the people would help us, and people who will always be there for us and always support us. So it doesn't matter who is that friend. We just want friends that are loyal to us and overcome fears together. And then the next quote is about, everything's a lot tougher when it's for real. That's when you choke, when it's for real. So facing Pennywise as adults with the weight of their past is far more challenging than their childhood battles. So in this quote, it relates to us students, or as we grow up, the burden on our backs increasingly or increasing. So we are being pressured, and we always bear pain together with us. So the quote 3 is that we lie best when we lie to ourselves. So this reveals the psychological impact of their trauma, showing how they try to repress painful memories. So it's relatable also to us, like because we try to hide our true selves. We don't want to accept our real selves. And then King's masterful suspense, vivid description of Pennywise transformations, and relatable characters created an unforgettable and unsettling atmosphere. However, the book's length can be challenging for some people. So it is a complex and unforgettable novel, While it is lengthy, its powerful themes and masterful storytelling make it a truly chilling and rewarding read. Thank you.